says bird flu outbreak, so I guess I'm not allowed to go that way. So I don't see any caution tape. There's a lot of caution tape following the whole road going that way. So I don't see any caution tape going this way for the DNL trail. So we're gonna go this way and explore. Yeah, that's a little weird. It's a dead goose. I've seen that stuff in the Lehigh throughout the years before that bird flu thing was ever even an issue. But that could be coincidence. Well, let's keep moving. That's 2 birds. There's another one. That is crazy, man. Yeah, the bird flu is definitely real here in Northampton right now. 1 bird, coincidental. 2 birds, it's getting a little suspicious and weird. But 3 birds, I'm out. Fuck this. Screw this shit. I'm leaving.